What's going on, everybody? It's Matt over at Jackrabbit Off-Road in Huntsville, Texas. Check out our newest build, this 2023 Can-Am Defender Max HD10 limited cab unit. This unit is fitted out with color-matched front and rear Thumper Fab front bumpers, big Nerf rails,
Thumper Fab long travel suspension,
Cobra axles, color-matched Sedona wheels, bead locks, 35-inch X-Comp tires, Pro Box audio top, full 360-degree lighting with party lights. You know how much we love those party lights. Of course, these roofs always rattle your ears. These things get loud. Being a limited, you got the two-tone seats with the embroidery. It's your typical Can-Am boxes. It's got a wireless phone charger, full air conditioning controls and lights. Headache rack with overhead winch. Rear bumper. Y'all come check this thing out.